Well, okay, now we're going to apply some corollaries. We got theorems and postulates and corollaries and converses and oh my goodness, all this stuff. All right, so let's see here. We're asked to find the measures of each numbered triangle. So let's see, let's review our corollaries, our triangle angle sum corollaries. One is that the acute angles of a right triangle are complementary. So if we've got a right angle that is being bisected, it's not the right word. Bisected will make them equal. But they're complementary. And then the second one is there can be at most one right or obtuse angle in a triangle. So let's see here. Find the measures of angle 1. We'll start with that one, angle 1. Okay, well, that's not too bad. Let's see, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle TYZ plus the measure of angle TZY has got to equal 180. All right, so let's see. Now we got the measure of angle 1, which is what we're going to find, plus, let's see, the measure of angle TYZ. Well, that's 52 right here. Plus the measure of TZY, which is this right angle here, which is 90, equals 180. And let's see, 52 and 90 is 142, so the measure of angle 1 plus 142 equals 180. Then we're going to subtract 142 from both sides, and when we do, the measure of angle 1 is 38. All right, so this one's 38. All right, let's see. How about angle 2? All right, so the measure of angle WYX is 38, and the measure of angle WXY is 90, and here we got the measure of angle 2 sitting out here. So let's see, the measure of angle 2 is equal to, or no, excuse me, plus measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle WYX plus the measure of angle WXY equals, we're going to say 180. And then we got the measure of angle 2. Let's see, and WYX is 38. And the measure of WXY is 90. And that equals 180. So we got the measure of angle 2 plus, let's see, 38 and 90 is 128 equals 180. And let's subtract 128 from both sides. And so the measure of angle 2 then must be 52. All right, so here we got this angle, and it's 52. All right, well, let's look at angle 3 then. So angle 2 and angle 3 are adjacent angles that both equal 90 degrees. So here's my little 90-degree mark, and it includes both angles 2 and 3. So that means that the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 2 equal 90. So that means they're complementary. And we know that the measure of angle 2 is 52. Angle 2 is 52. So the measure of angle 3 plus 52 equals 90. And we can subtract 52 from 90, and when we do, the measure of angle 3 then must be 38. So this one is 38. And we can go here to the measure of angle 4, and since all three of these corners are right angles, that means that's got to be a right angle. So angle 1 and 4 are complementary. And so then we can say then that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 4, they're complementary. They got to equal 90. And we figured out that the measure of angle 1 is 38. So the measure of angle 4 then is 90 minus 38. And so the measure of angle 4 is going to be 52. And so 4 here is 52. Shazam! We have found angle measures in right triangles. All right. Not bad. We're done.